Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie easily. First, ensure you have 2 pre-made pie crusts, about 6 medium-sized apples, sugar, cinnamon, and a touch of butter. Select firm, tart apples like Granny Smith for a perfect balance of sweetness and tang. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and have your pie dish ready. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious, stress-free baking experience, ensuring a delightful dessert with minimal effort. Next, let's prepare the delicious apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing about 6 medium apples into uniform 1/4 inch thick pieces. In a large bowl, gently toss these apple slices with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For a perfectly set filling, stir in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. This simple mixture ensures your pie will have a wonderfully spiced and slightly thickened apple center, ready for baking. Now let's quickly assemble our pie. Carefully place 1 pre-made pie crust into your 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently to fit. Trim any excess dough around the edges. Next, spoon the prepared apple filling evenly into the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center. Finally, place the second pie crust over the filling, crimp the edges to seal, and cut a few small slits on top for steam to escape. This quick assembly gets your pie ready for the oven in minutes. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the pie in your preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool completely before slicing to allow the filling to set. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link and other deals in the description below. Enjoy your homemade, easy apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.